In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange currency on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look out for, and how to confirm your exchange with confidence, all inside the Revolut app. Start by opening the app and making sure you're on the home screen. This is your main dashboard where you can see your balances and recent activity. If you've navigated elsewhere, just return to home so we're beginning from the same place. Next, tap on the More option. This is where Revolut groups additional features that aren't shown on the main dashboard. It's a handy hub for things like transfers, cards, and in our case, currency exchange. From the menu that appears, select Exchange. This takes you to the dedicated exchange view, designed to make switching between currencies quick and transparent. Now choose the currency you want to sell and the currency you want to buy. You'll see drop-down menus for both. Tap those to browse and select from the available currencies. Take a moment to double-check the direction of your exchange, selling the correct currency and buying the one you need, so you don't have to reverse it later. Enter the amount you want to exchange. You can type the amount in either the currency you're selling or the one you're buying, and the app will calculate the equivalent automatically. Make sure you have enough balance in the currency you're selling. If not, the app will prompt you. It can help to think about what you'll use the money for, like travel or online purchases, so you choose an amount that covers your needs. Then tap Review Order. This is your preview screen. Here you'll see the current exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the exact amount you'll receive. Revolut typically shows a live, real-time rate, and fees can vary based on your plan and timing. Note that rates can shift slightly between opening this screen and confirming, especially during market volatility or on weekends when an extra markup may apply. Take a moment to read everything carefully. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to complete the exchange. The transaction usually processes instantly, and your new balance will appear under the currency you bought. You can return to home to see it listed among your accounts, ready to spend or transfer as needed. And that's it. You've successfully exchanged currency on Revolut. Keep these steps in mind whenever you need to switch funds, and always review the rate and fees before confirming to make sure you're getting exactly what you expect.